kasi kanina yung nagta-transcend talaga yung camaraderie nyo, no, as a group. Kasi ako nagulat din ako recently, no, nung nagkaroon ng press ko ng Eraserheads. Sinabi nila na hindi raw sila ganun ka-close as we perceive them to be. Kayo rin ba? Kasi I understand pag sa banda, di ba, kanya-kanyang moods yan, kanya-kanyang ego yan, kanya-kanyang what have you. Pero sa parokya ni Edgar, is that the same, knowing na parang ang tingin sa inyo ng mga tao kasi mga rock stars kayo eh?
Una, sa E-Heads, gusto ko na-explain just so people would have an idea kung ano yan. They're friends enough to work together. Pero after ng gig, si Buddy may sariling circle of friends yan. Si Raymond, doon niya sa mga musician friends niya. Si Ellie, alam mo, kala lang ng mga tao na masungit siya sa tahimik. Pero sa totoo, ang closest friends niya, yung mga staff at roadie. Doon sila lahat nakapaligid. So kala nila mayabang kasi hindi siya nakikisama. Kumbaga, they just have their certain circle of friends each.
Yeah.
So when they work together, they're good. They're okay. Pero it's not like yan yung bestest friends nila. Parang ganyan. Gets mo? They are not the bestest.
Yes.
Hindi sila yung pinaka pag may problema ako sa asawa ko, hindi yung mga bandmates lalapitan niya, lalapitan niya yung mga barkada. And nakita ko talaga itong again, si Buddy sobrang tahimik, para may sarili lang siyang circle of friends ng mga musikero. Tapos si Raymond talaga outgoing and with the kids to play bands and dami niyang banda. Kaya dami niyang banda kasi dami niyang kaibigan. Tapos si Marcus may sarili lang siyang mundo sa surfing niya, parang gano'n. Tapos si Ellie nga, ever since, alam mo yung mga staff nila nung 90s up to now, yun pa rin yung staff niya as a solo artist kasi dun yun ang, for me, friendship talaga. Yun ang, when he says na, these are, hindi sila yung totoong kaibigan. I siguro mali lang yung wording niya, pero hindi, we're okay as bandmates, pero yung friends siya talaga. Alam mo, pag pumunta ka sa bahay nila nung time na nakakatambay ko, he'd be always surrounded with the staffs and roadie, and sila lang talaga yan. Up to now, sobrang loyal nila sa isa't isa. And that says a lot about him. Marami lang na-disappoint, hindi kayo magkakabarkada. With us naman, with Parokya, which I understand also why they're disappointed because they have this vision of E-Heads na sobrang magkakaibigan yan.
Sobrang close sila na parang magkakadikit na yung bituka nila. Mali lang yung wording siguro at saka hinipe. I don't know, maybe because of the concert.
Ako, as a fan, inakbayan lang ni Ellie si Raymond, kilig na ako eh. Kasi alam ko history how they were bandmates, and sa sobrang close nila, nag-away-away na lang sila kasi and friends, that happens with real friends, right? Pero I guess may kanya-kanya silang circle of friends. I could only speak from someone who's not in the circle, but I know because I'm a fan. I get to hang out with them also. With Parokya kasi, more than anything talaga friends kami. Kasi our drummer, si Dindin, classmate ko ng prep pa lang eh. And he spent Christmases and prep. Tapos yung si Dindin prep, si Vinci grade 3, si Bowie grade 5, si Gab first year high school, tas best friend ko talaga siya, and si Darius sa college na because umalis nga yung guitarist namin, siya yung guitarist ni Bowie. So, and eventually became a real friend also, one of my closest at Parokya, even if he came as a bandmate na. Tapos, and Dindin is not the best drummer, alam niya yan, pero friendship trumps talent for me na alam mo, kahit marami kami pwedeng kunin na mas magagaling na drummer, if we are to prioritize that, pwede, pero sarap kabanda si Dindin eh. Talagang mararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal niya sa band and sa'yo personally. So, friendship first before, kasi di naman kami musikero, we're just a bunch of guys playing. So, sana ba kung priority na yung music, then we choose the best musicians. Pero nag-stick naman sila sa akin kahit di ako yung best vocalist. Nag-stick naman kami kay Dindin kahit di siya yung best drummer. And I think that made us special also because we're not the best of the best musicians. We only know a few chords, which made it more, I think, accessible for everyone.